In today's video, you will learn the use of I am done. Let's know the use of I am done. What is the meaning of I am done? I am done. You know, when you see something like I stands for, it is a pronoun. Stands for a pronoun. Done is the past participle form, but it is an adjective. A-D-J-E-C-T-I-V, adjective. And the meaning of here, the meaning of done, here the meaning of done is finished. F-I-N-I-S-H, finished. If something is over, then you can say done. If something, STH means something, is over, you replace it, over with done. Done means over. Is that clear? It means over. Done. So, I am done. Here am is a verb. So, let's see what's the meaning of it. Okay, I have already explained it. I am done means I am finished. If you are finished, I am done. I here, I is what I have told you. Here, I is a pronoun, but here stands for a noun. This is very important. I here is used as a noun. You get it? Try to understand. And I, this done qualifies that noun I. The adjective here, done is an adjective, but if you go to the real meaning, if you look at it as a past participle, then as a past participle, this is a past participle of verb. This is past participle form of the verb do. Okay, but here in this sentence, done is an adjective, and I is a pronoun. I stands for pronoun, but here in this sentence, I is a noun, and this noun I is being qualified by, or it qualifies the adjective done qualifies the noun I. Understood? I am done. It means when you have finished doing something. The meaning of it, when you have already finished doing something. Like, I am going to give the examples, and this will be very clear to you. I hope you have understood what I have told you. Understood? Okay. I am going to make some sentences just to make it very clear to you. Okay. Sentence number 1. I am done. If you say I am done, it means I have finished doing something. Like if your friend said, have you suppose present perfect tense. The question can be asked with present perfect tense. I am already done with maths. It means you have already completed your maths. Understood? You have finished it. I am done with it. Have you done your homework? I am done with it. Okay. Sometimes it means I am done means I am fed up with this. Okay. Someone is trying to make you convince you to believe in. Okay. And oh my God, I am done with your arguing. Okay. You may believe what you feel like. I am trying to convince him to do something for me, but however hard I tried to make him understand me, he did not understand. Understood? That's why I said, oh my God, I'm done with him. Okay, if you are done with somebody, if you are done with somebody, you are trying to make somebody understand the value of discipline. Understood? So, however hard you may try to make him understand you, he would not listen. He would not give importance to your advice or your knowledge or your opinion. Understood? So he always will say, I really don't like it or something like that. When you are fed up, you can say, I'm done with it. I am done. I am done means you are fed up with what this particular boy is doing. I am fed up with telling this. I am telling him. I am fed up with telling him. Understood? I telling him what you do and what not to do. It means you are fed up. I am done with telling him. Understood? What's good and what's bad. If you are done with arguing with somebody, you are fed up. I am done with arguing. I am done with arguing. Arguing with him. He would not believe. He couldn't believe. He wouldn't believe what I am done with arguing with him. He wouldn't believe whatever you say. Understood? Whatever you say. If you are done with something, it means it's no use. You have finished something. Understood? When you are fed up with doing something, I'm fed up with him. Please tell him to back to something. I'm done with him. When you are not, understood? You can either be fed up or when you have completed something. When you are declaring that you are done with it, means you have finished doing that. Do you get it? I'm done with my homework, I'm done with my classwork, I'm done with, understood? I'm done with waiting, means I have finished waiting. Clear? Now I'm going back to my house. He wouldn't come today. I'm done with waiting means when you are fed up doing something. You get it? If you are fed up doing something, it means if you are fed up with doing something, you get it. I'm done with, if you are suppose I'm trying to tell you, hello, listen to me. Suppose if your area is in need of some development, okay, but you are clear, you are being advised by your friends. Shubhoji, if the place where you live has so many, is in need of improvement, like infrastructure development, or if the road that you use, understood, is not good, the road in front of your house is not good, it is full of potholes, and if there is no park, you need to write to the, understood, chairman of your municipality, understood, and suppose that then you are saying, no, I am done with writing letters. What does it mean? You are fed up with writing so many letters, but you are not getting any reply. And nothing has been done. Nothing concrete has been done. So I am done. If you are done with something means you are declaring that you have finished doing that, you are no more interested in it. Do you get it what I'm saying? So I hope you have understood what is this. Okay. So I am explaining the same thing in Bengali and Hindi. Can I?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. I am done এখানে সমাপ্তি কোনো কিছু বোঝানোর জন্য বলা আছে। I am done এবার যদি কোনো একটা কোনো কিছু আমি ওই জিনিসটা করেছি সেই জিনিসটা যে জিনিসটা করে যাবো সেটা একটা উইথ প্রিপোজিশন একটা বসিয়ে এটা উইথ প্রিপোজিশন বসিয়ে সেই জিনিসটা যেটা তুমি করেছো সেটা উইথ সাম STH মানে সাম। তো তুমি যদি বলো আমি হোমওয়ার্ক করেছি আই এম ডান উইথ হোমওয়ার্ক। আমি ওর সঙ্গে ওকে আমি কনভিন্স করে দেখেছি আই এম ডান উইথ কনভিন্সিং। আমি ওর সঙ্গে তর্ক করে দেখেছি আই অ্যাম ডান উইথ আর্গুইং উইথ হি উড নট লিসেন শুনবে না। I am done with convincing him who would not believe whatever I say. Do you understand? He would do exactly opposite of what I say. This is why if you are done with something you are fed up with him. I am done with him means you are fed up with him. Sometimes done with means fed up with. I have told you এখানে আইটা প্রোনাউন কিন্তু এটা নাউন হিসেবে ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে আর ডানটা এটা ব্যবহৃত হয়েছে ইউ ফিনিশড হিসেবে কিন্তু এখানে ডানটা হচ্ছে পাস্ট পার্টিসিপেল ফর্ম কিসের ডুয়েল কিন্তু এর মানেটা কোনো কিছু সমাপ্তি বোঝাচ্ছে এবং এটা কিন্তু অ্যাডজেক্টিভ এটা কাকে কোয়ালিফাই করছে আইটা আই এম ডান আমি কোনো কিছু পড়া শেষ করে দিয়েছি এটাই বোঝাচ্ছে বোঝা গেল তাহলে আই এম ডান উইথ আর্গুইং উইথ দেম ইউ উড নট বিলিভ হোয়াট এভার ইউ সে মানে আমি ওর সঙ্গে কথা বলে তর্ক করে একদম হয়ে গেছি ফেড আপ হয়ে গেছি ঠিক আছে তো ওকে বিশ্বাস করানো যাবে না তুমি যাই বলো ওকে বিশ্বাস করানো যাবে হি উড নট বিলিভ আন্ডারস্টুড আই এম ফেড আপ আই এম ডান উইথ আর্গুইং and I am done with arguing with him. You get it? I am done with arguing with him. Clear? He would not believe whatever you say. He would not believe. However hard you may try to convince him, he would not believe. তুমি যতই চেষ্টা করো ওকে কনভিন্স করার জন্য ও বিশ্বাস করবে না। দিস ইজ হাউ তুমি যদি বলো যে আমার হোমওয়ার্ক শেষ হয়ে গেছে আই এম ডান উইথ হোমওয়ার্ক আমি ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক শেষ করি আই এম ডান উইথ মাই ক্লাস ওয়ার্ক ঠিক আছে আমি অপেক্ষা করে দেখে নিয়েছি আই এম ডান উইথ ওয়েটিং ফর হিম আন্ডারস্টুড হি উড নট কাম you get it if you have finished done doing something you need to use done with you get it তাহলে এটা বোঝা গেল এটা বোঝা হয়ে গেছে तो मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में इसका प्रयोग के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ आई एम डन विद का मतलब होता है इसका आई मतलब प्रोनाउन की सब एम इधर वर्ब है और डन का अर्थ होता है पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म लेकिन ये एडजेक्टिव के हिसाब से बैठा है और डन का मतलब होता है किसी चीज़ को समाप्त कर देना जैसे कि मैंने फिर अपना होमवर्क को कंटिन्यूज कर दिया आई एम डन विथ होमवर्क क्लास वर्क खत्म गया आई एम डन विथ क्लास वर्क तो मैं अपना गिटार लेसन्स को कर लिया आई एम डन विथ माई गिटार लेसन्स ठीक है उसके साथ तर्क करके देख लिया उसे समझाया नहीं जा सकता आई एम डन विथ आर्गुइंग विथ हिम ठीक है आई वुड नॉट he would not listen or he would not believe whatever I say or whatever you say कुछ भी आप बोलो उसे विश्वास नहीं मैंने उसको करके देख लिया आई एम डन विद हिम वो उसी चीज़ करके देख लिया when आप कुछ करके देख लिए आई एम डन विद दिस आई एम डन विद दैट आई एम फेड अप जब आप कभी फेड अप हो जाते हो तो आप आई एम फेड अप विद टॉकिंग मैंने बहुत सारा चिट्ठी लिख के देख लिया हमारे इलाका में डेवलपमेंट नहीं बनेगा आई एम फेड अप with writing so many letters to so many departments nothing can be done in our area understood you get it that is how you can use I'm done with I'm fed up with understood that's how done with can be used I'm fed up with मैं ना उसको बोलते बोलते थक गया वो कुछ भी नहीं करेगा I am done with telling him what to do and what not to do he would not listen I'm fed up with telling him what to do and what not to do he would not listen मैंने बहुत बार बोल के देख लिया वो सुनेगा ही नहीं with this I come to the end of this class I'm sure that you have benefited from my class if you have please don't forget to give me a like bye